episode of Statues Up Close. I'm going to show you the super Deadpool statue made by Marvel Now. This motherfucker is dope. The ArtFX by Koto Bukia. I don't know how to be saying that sometimes, but you understand what the fuck I'm talking about. Has a motherfucking afro in it. Let's bust this bitch open and see what's in it. Right now, I've been going through my goddamn shop, and it's been a hell of a week, so I don't even have a razor right now. Alright, I want to bust this boy open for the first time. I'd like to welcome you to the show. Usually it's not like this. Today, I feel like being an ass. So, I'm going to show you this goddamn statue. Deadpool statue. If you get a chance, hit the fucking subscribe, please. Huh? I've been doing this for a little while. Hit the damn subscribe. Ooh, this boy comes beautiful. Look at this fucking monster right here. Flip the screen around so I can see that shit. Alright. Look at that. Comes in this goddamn plastic. The other one always comes in foam and shit. So let's see how well I can keep this together. Get the fucking box out of here, right? So, put this right here. And this plastic stands for shit. So, I'm gonna put the shit on the ground right now. Alright, I'm gonna open it down here. Hey, again, you get a damn chance, subscribe. Hit the button, the bottom corner. Only takes a second. 1 second, right now. Look, click, boom, you subscribe. Also hit the ring. You know, that ring, that'll update you when I drop my videos. I've been going through my shop and dropping all the videos for my statues. So, make sure you hit the subscribe. Trying to open this goddamn plastic one. I don't like the plastic one. It's stupid. Alright. Let me get this going. Find all the goddamn tape and everything, but I'm sitting here trying to do a goddamn video, but I got people screaming in the fucking background right now. So they're sitting there talking shit in the background. I don't know what the hell she said, but see now this is kind of annoying for all this damn tape. This shit the there we fucking go. Alright. Throw that shit over there. Looks complex. All up in plastic. Take this fucking thing out. Fucking thing right here. Let me see how this shit is set up. Oh, looks like a pegboard. Like when Deadpool got pegged in the movie. Remember that? That's the fucking thing right there. Looks pretty slick. Actually not, I would like a little bit more shading on it, but hey, who's to fucking say I could do better? Got the hands, swords, ooh, get cut in half with those shits. Pretty slick. And it has 3 different, for his belt, oh, those are grenades. Pretty dope though. Don't know if you can see those, see that one? Pretty fucking cool. 3 different sets of hands, 3 different goddamn guns. 2 swords, there's 2 that go in his back right there, and there's a big ass knife. There's one that says to be continued. To be continued. Then 3 grenades and his seats. However the fuck you say that, huh? Alright, now let's get to the Deadpool body. Boom! This is the top half. Why the fuck I pull out the top half? I need the bottom half to put in first, right? Alright, so I'm gonna put that back. Let me grab the Deadpool. Got the bottom half. Alright. His feet, that's pretty dope. Bottom of his foot, got the Deadpool logo. That means he kicks you in the face and it's gonna be a logo imprint on your face. Alright, so I put this one here and then this one here. Oh, before I said it, I don't think I got to say it. Fucking subscribe real quick. Alright. Then the top half one. You push it in, let's see, woo, push in there, then you got the head. Head is pretty cool, pretty detailed. Let me see, block everything else, Ah, there we go. Pretty dope head. Like the look. Don't mind the stuff in the back. If you guys want to see that, check out the other goddamn videos that I did. Got a lot that I'm dropping. Oh, stick that in there right there. That fits good. Usually it doesn't fit good. I usually have a hard time trying to stick it in. Then I got the goddamn afro. Look at that. Big ass fro. Alright, and you can strap it. It comes with a strap, so you can strap around his chin. Let's see. Just throw it on him. There we go. Alrighty then. Alright, I'm gonna go with putting on next. The sheets. The goddamn tape again. Look at that. It's annoying. I like to keep stuff in mint condition. It's hard to keep this shit in mint condition when you got this damn tape everywhere. And you gotta strip it off, and I only want to see one thing strip. And it's not my goddamn toys. So, just dropped a bomb, a grenade. This goes on his back. Clicks on there easy. Feels like it might be able to fall off pretty easy, so I don't like that. Then let's put on some hands. Again with the damn tape. I guess just be more aggressive with it. I don't want to take my time right now. I got too many videos to do. As long as it don't pop out. Oh, there goes one gun. Alright. What should I do first? Should I do... Well, do all of those, right? Alright. I'm gonna just go with these two. Go with the swords. One. Two. I'll take the guns away real quick. Pull out these bad boys right here. Some more damn tape. That is looking pretty f***ing dope right there. And just jam that in there. That feels good. Right there. Oh, push that in there. Yep. Alright. Oh, yeah, that's a tight fit. And then, let me just throw these grenades on the ground right here. It would have been cool if they could have had it attached to them or something. So then I'm going to take this big ass knife. And I think this big knife should be able to go right the f here. Boom. Look at that. Knife fits in there perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I don't know if the gun goes in there. Do the guns go in the holsters? So, one goes here. Let me stick that in there. It's hard to stick in there. Let me get that in there. There we go. And like I said, this fell off easy. Goddamn stupid way to put this on there. So, that's one. Let's try to pop this second one. Oh, there we go. All right. And then this fucker right here, he got the big chunky one in the back. And they actually clip in and out. That is pretty dope. Just seems like it's hard to get it to clip in. No. You have to shove it all the way in there, and it doesn't seem like it's shoving all the way in. I have that issue sometimes. Then you got the different hands. Alright. So, then if you want to, these go back here. If you plan on doing it without having him hold the sword. So let me take off that real quick. And I'm gonna just throw that right here. Oh, god damn it. God damn it. No, I'm gonna put the fro right there. Boom. And I don't know where the hell this to be continued goes. Let me look on the damn box. I don't see it on the damn box. Nope, turn it around, turn. Nope, that's not it. It's not on the box. So, I'm gonna just set this shit right here. Alright. Well, to be continued. You don't go nowhere. So there you go. Until next time, I hope you guys like the fucking show. And again, before I go, hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Right now, before I show you. 1, 2, 3, boom, done. It should be done, right? Should be done? Alright, I'm gonna get you guys up close look. Until next time, this was Statues Up Close. Peace. Subscribe real quick.